Hello to all my followers. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage. So, as I promised you, we're gonna do a small comparison between the new 1979 Chevy Monte Carlo lowrider versus the 64 Impala lowrider from Redcat Racing. Today I'm feeling much better, so it will be easier for me to make this video. I'm still a little bit sick, but still I'm gonna do this video for you guys. So, two beautiful cars from Redcat Racing, and of course this one is available also in that color. This one right now, unfortunately, those are the only one that's available for Redcat Racing. There's no other colors available. I don't know when they're gonna have any. They don't know when they're gonna get any. But let's get into right away to what those two cars are, what a little bit of the difference, and what you get for your money. So, to start, 64 Impala is outside for a while, and there's a lot of upgrade, a lot of modification that you can do for it. There is chrome grille that you can do for it. There's different bodies. Of course, there is rims and tires that you can go with a white wall, low profile, and other variety of parts. Now, when you look at those two cars and you go detail to details, this is what I want to go over right now. Start with windshield wipers. This one have it, this one don't. The trim around the windows, you can see here that it's very perfect trim all around, and here it is a sticker. It's a kind of a cheap sticker. Also, the quality of the PETG material here on the glass is not as shiny as this for some reason. I don't know why. It's maybe something in the production, but it's not as clear as the other one over there. Now, when you look around, we're going to jump one to another. Door handle. This one don't have a door handle. It's just like a sticker. And over here, you actually have a door handle with all the details on it. It's actually really cool. When you go all around, you can see the trim over here nicely on the car. The grills of both cars look very nice, very impressive, but of course on the Impala it's a little bit bigger. The design of the original car was a little bit kind of better. Let's drop it down a little bit. Haha, it was cool. So when you look on the front here, it's the very basic original car, the very basic original car, but when you look at the model, the both look very nice. When you look at the mirrors, those mirrors over here, they look very realistic, versus those ones that they look also realistic, but they still like the chrome on the other one, just like it make it much nicer. On the back, the details are actually very nice. On the tail, still you have like the light and everything. And when you go to this car, you can see that it just, again, the design of the vehicle was much nicer. Now, first thing first, when you look at both cars, was the cardboard box. This cardboard box was a box inside of that box with the graffiti inside. I don't know if you guys ever saw the inside of it, but there is wall with graffiti. And then there was this beautiful two-part box that opened. It was much more expensive box than this one. The vehicle is a little bit longer, but this is just because the vehicle itself was longer wheelbase to start with. It's like it has the big trunk on the back to put about 6 or 7 bodies. It's a joke if you see all the American movies. They always bring in the big cars and say, how many bodies can you put on the back? So it's funny. Anyway, this one is going for $459. This one is going for $599. This one will pop wheelie and kind of pop up and down because it has weight on the back, and this one do not have the weight on the back, and you can definitely add this and customize it. This is part of the hobby, and I highly recommend you to do that. Both of them have a very cool feature, but it's two different vehicles. The price gap between them is showing only when you're looking at the small details. But if you just want to go and have fun, you can go with that. But if you want to have fun and have much more scale, you can go with that. But you know, this hobby is all about how much money you want to spend and what you want to do with your car and who you like to impress. A lot of people spending so much money on those just to impress a friend, to say, oh wow, you did much better than I did. but this is kind of part of the hobby. Whenever you look around on those two vehicles, you're gonna see that like also like the bottom of the cars, when you go down over here, you can see this line is kind of finishing, I think, a little bit better than here. Here you can see the plastic of the bottom of the frame. I try to push the body more in, and it's just not going all the way through. So this is something that needs adjustment, but this one already came adjust from the factory. Beautiful vehicle, both of them. I would highly recommend to come to the shop and physically see them. So you can see the difference. If you already have this one, you definitely want to have that one mirrored. Both beautiful, both candy colors. You know, if you ask me which one to get, I will not be able to tell you, okay, get this one or get that one. It have to be your choice. This is kind of really quick, the difference between the 79 and the 64. And both of them like cool Chevy design. They actually trademarked with Chevy, so it's like they got the rights and everything to do those. So it's really, really cool that actually Redcat did the kind of the hard work in order to get the license and everything for it to give you the most detail possible. I'm gonna customize both vehicle and show other cool stuff, how to change the bodies. Just don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. If you don't like and subscribe, you cannot see the videos that I'm actually uploading, and if you don't share, your friends cannot see it, so don't forget to do so. If you'd like to see anything else, if you have any comments, put it on the line below so I can make more video for you guys. We are in a new location. If you haven't seen any of my videos yet, we are at the new shop already. We already moved everything. We're already running. We're at 17555 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, California, zip code 91344, and we have those cars in stock, and they are just waiting for you guys to come and get them. See you in my next video. Don't forget, if you need anything, just ask. We will make the video for you. Bye.